So good day, sir. So we're here today to fix or improve our internet connection or internet speed using some remedies that we're gonna show you today. So I'm Cadet Perez.
Karet Basa.
Cadet Tumalo.
So if some instances you have a slow internet connection, these are some steps to do to make your internet faster. First is to restart your computer. So if you restart your computer, it will reboot or will go back to normal or some point. Or second, you can close unnecessary apps or programs. So close the tabs in it.
If the internet is still slow, so make sure that there's no one using it. So if other devices, you should turn off the Wi-Fi for other devices. So only your PC is only the one who's connecting it. So other option is also if you're gonna download something, so download one at a time. So if you download a bad download, it will lag because of a lot of things going on your PC.
So another example to increase your internet is to scan for viruses. Another thing that your computer is so slow because of some virus, so you need to scan for viruses. And last step is update your driver's firmware.
So that's all, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.